developing an iPhone with a larger with a 4.7-inch display, iPhone 6 becomes wild. Significant design and engineering efforts.
This is
Kids Knowledge.
It makes all the things you do with your iPhone better. Oh, 2 new finish editions, black and black. A new camera captures shots you never could before. The S-designed processor analyzes every shot. iPhone 7 Plus. The 2 cameras operate as one. The 1 cameras operate as 2, giving you 2 times optical zoom and high-quality imagery when you zoom even farther. The new D display with a 6 is the best and brightest ever on an iPhone. Got iPhone chips.